Legends of Learning presents the Wave Master game. This is a science game that makes learning about wave properties fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, a fun puzzle game where you must match a target wave by tweaking the properties of your waves. You manipulate the wavelength, amplitude, and phase of your waves with knobs and sliders. Playing with the wave properties and immediately seeing the results encourages intuitive, hands-on understanding. Your goal is to match your colored lines with the green line by tweaking the properties of your waves. You will use the sliders to change the wavelength and amplitude of your wave to match the desired shape of the waves. You can also use the special dial to change the phase of your wave by clicking on it. Try and complete as many wave puzzles as possible in the allocated amount of time to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing!